This is my impression of Noodles eating pizza in northern New Jersey. That's where he lives, folks. I'm from Jersey also. I'm not doxing the guy out. But we all know where he is. This is my impression of Spaghetti Noodle Boy getting a few slices at Anthony Franco's Pizza. Hey folks, I'm going to run into Anthony Franco's here. I'm going to get me a few slices. Hey, Tino, Pino, whatever the dog's name is, hold down the fort. I'll be right back. I'm back, folks. I got me 3 slices at Anthony Franco's. I got me 2 plain and 1 margarita slice. Do you want to hear me eating the slices? Okay, let me start with the margarita slice. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, that's good. Mmm. Mmm. Oh yeah. Ooh. This is like food porn. Mmm. Oh, you guys want to see me eat the slice? Oh, this New Jersey pizza is great. All you guys got to settle for Domino's, and Pizza Hut, Papa John's, Godfather's. I live in Jersey, man. We got mom and pop places. We got great pizza. Oh, you want to hear me eating a big plain slice, huh? All right, hold on a second. Okay, I'll show myself on camera. You see that big slice? Oh, look at that cheese. Now get in the back seat. No, you're not going to have any pizza. I got some dog food for you at home. Oh, okay. Oh, look at that cheese. Oh, let me take a bite. Oh, yeah. Mmm. Mmm. That's some good pizza, folks. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. Oh, I got a grape soda too, folks. Oh, yeah. Oh, I got one more slice, huh? I might as well just crush it. Mmm. Oh, I'm starting to sound like the horse-faced rat, Mr. Ed, huh? Mmm. Mmm. Oh, that pizza was so good. Let me wash it down with some grape soda. It's nothing better than after having some pizza, folks. Kick back, have a cigarette, nice smoke. Yeah, hold on a second. Let me get. Yeah, I smoke Marlboro Red 100s, folks. Yeah. They put hair in your chest. Yeah. Yeah, let me light it up. Let me take a drag. Mmm. Oh, yeah. Oh, God. That is delicious. Those slices were delicious from Anthony Franco's. Oh, God. And that grape soda. Oh, man. And for dessert, a nice cigarette? Are you kidding me? Oh my God. You guys are missing out, folks. You really are missing out. With that being said, BERGS out.